Everyone thinks the best-selling lunchboxes are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, LifeWit Insulated Lunch Bag. The LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag is an affordable option, priced at just $7.98. What caught my attention was its thermal insulation feature that promises to keep your food at the desired temperature for over 4.5 hours. If you want a reliable lunch bag that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bag's insulation means you can pack a cold salad or a hot meal and have it just right by lunchtime. It's spacious enough for 12 cans of soda or your lunch, which is about 9 liters of capacity. Made from durable materials, you won't have to worry about leaks thanks to its leak-proof design. Plus, it's lightweight and comes with an adjustable shoulder strap for easy carrying. Now, some people complained about the bag being a bit small for their lunch needs. Here's the thing though, if you're packing just for yourself, this is definitely spacious enough. If you're someone who likes to pack extra snacks or meals, it might feel cramped. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly lunch option. Skip this one if you need something that can handle large meal prep for multiple people. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if LifeWit's smaller capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, HSHR-ISH Tactical Lunchbox. Next up, we have the HSHR-ISH Expandable Large Tactical Lunchbox, priced at $19.99. The first thing that stands out is its rugged design, perfect for those who appreciate durability. If you want a lunchbox that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This lunchbox can hold up to 24 cans of soda and has a dual compartment feature, which means you can keep your drinks separate from your food. With thick insulation that keeps your food cold or hot for up to 8 hours, you can confidently pack meals for long work days or outdoor activities. The military-grade material ensures it withstands wear and tear, perfect for transport across various settings. Now, some reviews mentioned it being a bit bulky for everyday work use. Here's the thing though, if you're often on the go or need something tough for outdoor trips, its size is a small price to pay for the durability and insulation it offers. This is perfect for you if you want something rugged for outdoor adventures. Skip this if you prefer a more compact lunch option for the office. With its high-quality build, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a stylish yet functional lunchbox.
Product number 3, Femuar Reusable Lunchbox. Now, let's talk about the Femuar Reusable Lunchbox, which you can grab for just $7.99. I really liked its sleek design and lightweight feel. If you want something stylish yet functional, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This insulated bag keeps your meals fresh and at the right temperature for over 6 hours. With a maximum capacity of 8.7 liters, it can fit everything from sandwiches to drinks easily. Plus, it has multiple compartments, so organizing your snacks and utensils is a breeze. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry around, making it ideal for daily use. Now, a few users mentioned that it lacks a sturdier build compared to others. Here's the thing though, for casual daily use, it holds up perfectly fine, and its stylish look adds a nice touch. This is perfect for you if you want a chic option for work or picnics. Skip this one if you need something with heavy-duty durability. At its price point, it's a great value. Next up, we have a lunchbox that takes organization and functionality to a whole new level.
Product number 4, Lovio Insulated Lunch Bag. Next, we have the Lovio Lunch Bag, priced at $7.59. Its lightweight design caught my eye, and it's perfect for anyone looking for convenience. If you want something easy to carry, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This bag has a large capacity, perfect for packing your entire lunch, including drinks and snacks. The multi-layer insulation keeps your food fresh and is easy to clean, which is a big plus for busy individuals.
It also features a side grid for drinks, making it versatile for all kinds of outings, whether you're at work or a picnic. Some users felt its materials could be more durable. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for light meals or snacks, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option for everyday use. Skip this one if you require something more heavy-duty for frequent outdoor trips. For its price, it's a solid choice for casual use. Now, if you need a step up in terms of insulation and organization, the next one might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Real Cool Insulated Lunch Bag. Finally, let's check out the Real Cool Insulated Lunch Bag, which costs $16.78. I really like its double-layer design. If you want a lunchbox that maximizes organization, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This lunchbox features an expandable design with a total capacity of 15 liters. The double-layer structure allows you to separate snacks from your main meal while keeping everything fresh for up to 7 hours. Plus, it's 100% leak-proof, which means no worries about spills ruining your bag. The multiple pockets are great for organizing utensils, making it perfect for work or outdoor activities. A few users noted that it can feel a bit bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing though, for its capacity and insulation, the size is reasonable, especially if you like to pack variety. This is perfect for you if you value organization and need something that keeps your food fresh for longer. Skip this if you're looking for something compact. For the features it offers, it's definitely worth the price.
To wrap things up, we've seen a range of lunchboxes that cater to different needs. The LifeWit offers a budget-friendly option, while the HSHRISH is perfect for rugged use. The Femuar is stylish and lightweight, the Lovoo is convenient for daily carry, and the Real Cool excels in organization and insulation. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your lifestyle best.